I thought I'd show you this in the light and all the shimmer. It really is gorgeous. Hopefully that silver is shining like I can see it. So this one is still available. If you're interested, you can email me on withBade@gmail.com. I'll take it off the wall and maybe you can see it a bit better. You see the shimmer. Maybe like that. It really shines beautifully. So it hasn't had a varnish yet. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all happy. I must say, I received my white paint on Saturday afternoon. I was like a kid in a candy shop. So I'm going to just lay down my white paint and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and this blue here is, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's like cyan blue. So I'm adding that down there. And then I have teal, so the colors I'm using, I was actually inspired by something that I saw and I was like, oh, I wonder if I can do something like that. So that is what I am doing. And then I have Pebble red. And this orange here I've made up myself. So I did that using the yellow, medium yellow by Pebble and the red that I've just used. I would have liked it to be a little bit brighter. And this is the medium yellow. So I'll just go along, add it in here. And I'm just hoping it's going to give the effect that I'm looking for. I think if I had used maybe a dark blue background, that would have been great. My paint's dropping off the end there already. Okay, and then this is my Bloom Recipe white, which I've also just made up more of. So I might just put a little bit over here. I don't normally like to blow over. I don't want white blowing over my paints. So I'm just adding it there for effects. Give that a torch. Now I'm going to be doing some resining when I get my resin. It is in the post. So if you guys would like to see me doing it, comment below. Right, so of course I dipped my hairdryer in the paint. Alright guys, this is absolutely stunning. I love it. I do feel though that looking at it, let me just look. I just need to look and see. I'm going to have to, oh, this is beautiful. I'm going to have to blow it a little bit. I need to try and maybe get this out a little bit this way. Yeah. Ooh, and the hair went in. Okay, I'm having one of those days today. Blow a little bit of that out. And of course I forgot to put my microphone back on. Right, that looks a bit more balanced. I'm just trying to balance out the white over there. Right, I think that's beautiful. I'm just going to give it another torch. Okie dokie, I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Guys, I love this. Look at this on the sides at the bottom. How cool is that? Looks awesome. Alright guys, I think that these colors just came out so well together. Really is pretty. I love all of those different colored cells in there. And this here Look at all of that lacing. So pretty. Absolutely love it. Hey guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork to purchase, please contact me on withbade@gmail.com. I love this section right here. It looks so awesome. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.